Hello guys, this is an unboxing video of my new gaming keyboard. In fact, this is the first keyboard that I bought that is a gaming model. It's made by A4Tech, and the only features that are included with this keyboard is the 4 soft rubber keys, the 12 one-touch hotkeys, and the key puller included. Turning the box around, we see a small advertising box for the X7 series gaming mouse. So, moving right in, I forgot to mention the model of the keyboard. That is KB-28G. It's nothing fancy, it's just a simple keyboard. You can have it here, and here hidden is the key and the normal WASD keys and this plastic tool. It's included. Yeah, perfect. It's a USB connected keyboard. I forgot to mention that. Here we have a small manual. Super easy to install. Everybody knows how to install a USB device. Now getting the wrapper off. It's kind of difficult. It will manage somehow. Let's go the hard way. It's a nice keyboard. Very nice feel. It's not very noisy. And for its price range, it's a very good keyboard. I haven't tried it. I will try it. I guess it's very good for shooters because of these 4 keys that are rubberized or something like that. And the hotkeys, the volume, stop, etc. And thanks for watching, guys. This was the unboxing of a gaming keyboard. The producer is A4Tech, and the model of this is, let's see again, the model is KB-28G. So guys, have a nice day. See you in the next unboxing video. Bye.